How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see how we can delete recently played on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So first of all, launch your Spotify application in your mobile device. Now, in order to see your activity or your recently played on Spotify, tap on your profile from the top left corner, then tap on your recents. So under this page, you will be able to find all your recently played music on Spotify. If you tap on it and if you tap on the three dots icon, there you will not find any option to delete the recently played. Unfortunately, Spotify's mobile application does not allow you to manually remove items from your recently played list. However, there are some workaround that you can try. First of all, you can listen to new content, play other songs, playlist, or podcast. This pushes older items out of recently played section as the app only keeps a limited number of items visible. The second option is to use a private session. You can use private session to prevent items from appearing in your recently played in the future. So for that, what you can do is you can go back, again tap on your profile from the top right corner, then go to your settings and privacy. Once you're under here, scroll down a bit and then tap on privacy and social. Here, under listening activity, there is a private session. So you can toggle it on. While a private session is active, any content you play won't appear in your recently played or influence recommendation, but there is a small note given there. It says private sessions automatically end after 6 hours. So with that on your mind, turn on the toggle. And remember, your private session will end after 6 hours. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.